Hi, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Fidelity to bank account. So, in order to do this, first of all, open the Fidelity website or the mobile app. Then sign in with your username and password. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for security. Now, from the main menu, navigate to transfer or transfer money or shares option. This is where you manage moving funds in or out of your Fidelity account. Now, step 3 is selecting transfer to bank. So choose the option to transfer funds from Fidelity to an external bank account. And if you haven't linked your bank yet, you will need to add it here using your account and routing number. Now, step 4 is entering amount and review. So type in the amount you would like to transfer, double check the source account like brokerage, cash management, etc. and the destination bank account. Then review for accuracy before proceeding. Now, submit the transfer request. Depending on your bank, funds usually arrive within 1 to 3 business days. Fidelity will also send you a confirmation email once the transfer is on its way. And that's it. In just few clicks, you can move your money from Fidelity brokerage to your linked bank account. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.